students. Today in English 2 class we will study lesson 7, that is rabbit's turnip. Okay, T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. So turnip is what? Turnip is a vegetable. It's a round white and purple color vegetable that grows underground. Okay, so you all open page number 58, lesson 7, rabbit's turnip. So children, this story is a folk tale, okay, and here you will see few characters. With these characters are very very kind and very gentle type of characters, and through these characters, through these kind and caring characters, the story tells us about the importance of sharing, importance of friendship, importance of kindness, which are very very important qualities that one should have. So yes, let's start. And the story begins with winter. It's written it was winter. So this story begins with winter because in winter it's very difficult for animals to find food. So it's like it was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. Hopping about means jumping. The rabbit was jumping around in the field. Why he was jumping around in the field? He was looking for something to eat. He was finding food for himself. It is going to snow soon. Rabbit said to himself, I have to find some food. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Pawed means, children, digging with paws. The animals, they have paws, no, panja. So he was using his paws to dig the ground so that he can find something, some vegetables, eatable things. And what did he finally found? He found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnips and hurried home. Hurried means he quickly moved to home. So it was a winter season, and this rabbit was out of his home, and it was just moving around, jumping around in a field to find something to eat. And what did he finally find? He found a turnip, okay, shaljam that we call it in Hindi. And not one, just one, he found 2 turnips for himself. And as soon as he got the turnip, it was already cold, and he was worried that it will start to snow. So he hurried to his home. Soon rabbit was warm, safe and happy. Then he thought about donkey. Donkey lived alone on a hill. I wonder if donkey has any food, said rabbit. I have 2 turnips. I'll give one to her. Now see, now you know the character of rabbit. He is now at home, and he's warm because all the way he was very feeling cold and all, and now he's back to his home, and he's feeling warm and safe because snow is not there still. So he's feeling safe and happy that he has got his food. Now next thought which comes in his mind is he's thinking about his friend donkey. Okay, so he thinks that donkey lives alone on a hill. Nobody is there. Maybe the surrounding, there is nobody there. He's all alone. I wonder means I'm thinking, I'm surprised, or it makes me feel that how donkey has any food, said rabbit. I have 2 turnips. So he's thinking that I have got 2 turnips, so I should give 1 turnip to her. Her means donkey, so that she can also feed herself. So next page, page number 59. So rabbit slowly rolled a turnip up the hill to donkey's house. Now what rabbit is doing? Rabbit slowly rolled a turnip. He went to donkey's house, and he left a turnip at donkey's house. Donkey was not at home. That time donkey was not at home, and it was already snowing. So rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back home. So he thought that, rabbit thought that it is already snowing, so I'll be stuck in the snow, so I should leave the turnip here. As soon as donkey will come back, she will get the turnip, and I should move back to my house. So rabbit left the turnip there and he went back to his home. After some time, Donkey returned home. She had found a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door. What a lovely surprise, said Donkey. But my potato is enough for me. Goat's always hungry. I should take this to him. Now, what happens? After some time, Donkey comes back to her home and she has already got a potato for herself. Means she was also out looking for food, and what did she get? She got a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door, but when she reaches home, what she sees? She sees a this turnip lying at the by the door. Then Donkey says, "Oh, what a lovely surprise! There's a turnip there, but my potato is enough for me." Now see, this donkey is also thinking about others. She says, "I should not be greedy. I have got my food and that's enough for me. So I should give this turnip to other person." And who's the other person? She's thinking about goat. And she's thinking that goat is always hungry. I should take this to him. So this donkey decided to give this turnip to her friend goat. Donkey trotted to goat's house. Trotted means moving fast. Okay, so because already the weather was very bad, so donkey was moving fast to reach goat's house, but he was not there. Now again, goat was not at home. So donkey left the turnip by the door and went back home. So he thought that okay, by the time this goat will come back, he will find the turnip. So he also left the turnip at the door and he also went back to her home. Now turn the page 16. Soon goat returned home with a cabbage. Cabbage means what? That leafy vegetable, patta gobi that we say in Hindi, that's cabbage. Now goat was also out looking for food and goat found a cabbage for himself. He saw the turnip by the door, and when he reaches home, he sees the turnip lying by the door. "Dear me," said goat, "someone has lost a turnip. It must be dear. When she passed this way, I should return this to her." Now see, now this goat has already got a cabbage, and this goat is also thinking about his friend deer. So he thought that when deer was passing by this way, so he must have dropped this turnip, and this turnip belongs to actually deer. So I should return this to deer, because then what she will eat if she will when she will find a turnip and she will not get it, so she will be hungry. So I should return this turnip to deer, which according to goat belongs to deer. Goat then rolled the turnip to deer's house, but deer was not there. So goat left the turnip by the door and went back. So once again this is happening. This goat also goes to deer's house. Deer is also not at home. Again goat leaves the turnip by the door, and goat also went back to his home. So now when deer comes back, what happens? Deer came home with a carrot. Carrot means gajar. Okay, she had found. She saw the turnip. "How kind, someone's left me a gift," said deer. "But there is no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him." Now see, now this deer, he reaches home, and now this deer comes home and with the carrot she has found. Okay, so she saw the turnip. Now she also happens to see the turnip lying by the door, and she's thinking that, "Oh, so kind, maybe any friend of mine has left me a gift." But again she's thinking, no, I should not be greedy. I have this carrot with me, that's enough for me, and let me give this to my friend rabbit. And who's the rabbit? Rabbit is the one who actually found this turnip, and this turnip from rabbit goes to from rabbit it goes to donkey it goes to goat, and from goat it goes to deer, and from deer it has again come back to rabbit. So she's thinking, this deer is thinking there is so much of snow, and she's thinking that I don't know rabbit has got any food or not, so I should give this turnip to rabbit. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. Rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. So Deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. Trudged means moving with difficulty. So children, see, the weather is so cold, there is so much of snow, but without bothering about this weather or it is so difficult to walk, these animals are so kind and so gentle, and they think so much about their friends, and such a helping nature they have, that despite of all these difficulties they are thinking about their friends first. So this deer also, in its so deep snow, with such great difficulty, this deer walks to rabbit's house, and seeing that rabbit is asleep or maybe not opening the door, deer decided to keep the turnip at the door, so that when rabbit gets up, the rabbit will find this turnip. The next morning, rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. Now, how has this come back to me? Exclaimed rabbit. Exclaimed means saying something with surprise. So next morning he was asleep, so the rabbit's sleep was just over. He gets up early in the morning, and when he opens the door, and what he sees there? The same turnip lying at his door. So he is wondering how this turnip has again reached to my place only. So it's the kind of funny end. But the moral of the story is, children, that these animals, they care for their friends, and they are so generous, giving away their food, sharing. So what we should learn from this story, children, that we should inculcate, we should develop the habit of this sharing, this fondness for each other. We should develop the feeling of love and care for our friends, for our family, then things would go in such a nice and easy way. So yes, this was the story, very nice story, rabbits, turnip. So children, please read the story properly, go through the story properly, underline the difficult words, and also learn the word meanings which are given at the bottom of each page. You have to learn all the word meanings. So that's all for today.